Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and we're back at Aldi, and I'm actually super excited because I have a baby shower this weekend that I forgot about, not because I don't care, but because I actually really don't know the person very well that I'm going to. It's a local business that I'm a customer of. It's throwing a surprise baby shower for one of their employees who I do work with. I just don't know her super personally, and she doesn't have a registry because this is a total surprise. Even though I don't know this mom really well, I do know babies well, and my last baby, I almost always shopped at Aldi, but I'm excited to go. I love babies. They're all blessings, and I want to bless this mama. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to make her an all Aldi baby basket, and I'm going to take you with me. I'm super excited, and don't worry, this is going to be published after the baby shower, so it's not going to ruin any surprises, but let's go. I never shop this area of Aldi. I'm super excited because my kids are so old now. I'm excited to see what they have here. I always love these. And I know it's going to be early, but they don't expire until May of 2026, so it'll be fun to put in her box or her bag or whatever I come up with. So I'm going to get apple and banana strawberry, $1.89 a piece. Now, I always loved the Aldi wipes, so I am going to get sensitive just in case her baby is sensitive. $4.89 for a 3-pack. I'm going to get 2 of them, so she'll get 6 packs of wipes. Now, I didn't shop at Aldi when my girls were babies, but when my son was wearing larger diapers, I was done cloth diapering, and I did love their diapers. However, I know every parent has diaper preferences, so I'm not sure what she'll like or what her baby will like, so I'm a little iffy on buying diapers. Plus, I know you tend to get a lot of diapers in smaller sizes, so maybe I'll go with a size 3, just get one of them, and that allows her time to use up smaller sizes she might get, but it's $13.35 for a size 3 diaper. This is so cute. I love these patterns. They didn't have these when my son wore diapers here. One of my favorites, and I plan to buy some of these, but they're for 9 months plus and they expire in October, so I'm not sure that the baby would be ready for these before they expire. I am going to leave them, but I always loved these for my son for like years. I do feel like the baby, let's see here, diaper rash ointment would be something I could definitely put in there. This is $3.99, and they don't have any baby wash. Dang it, I was gonna get some of that too. But also get the eczema therapy cream. I think these are $3.99 each. The purees, I would love to buy these, but again, I don't know the baby's food preferences. Obviously, no one does at this point, and they don't last super long. So like the best by date on this, well, it's February 2026. Some of them are 2025 though, so I'm gonna just leave these. Too early to buy those. I always love baskets like this to organize different baby things, so I'll get these, $7.99. It's a 3-pack. Super cute. And then I can put some of this stuff in there. I was really hoping there'd be some Aldi Finds baby items, but there really are not. So, oh well. Obviously the baby won't need a toy for a while, but it would have been fun to add. I will get a hand sanitizer for visitors. I wanted to see if they had a Dreft or a Dreft alternative. I don't really buy my laundry stuff here, but they don't have anything like that, so I'm gonna skip it. I know that what you wash with can be extremely sensitive to some people, so I'll skip it. And this has nothing to do with the baby shower, but I realized I forgot a couple items on my grocery haul. So I do have potatoes, but I don't have enough potatoes for the multiple things I planned with it. So I'm gonna get more, $3.69. And I also forgot juice boxes for Elsie's lunch. I can't see the price. Oh, it's too heavy, but I think it's like $3. She likes the Meyer ones better, but I'm here. And of course, this is gonna be the gift bag, so that when she returns with a gift card I'm gonna buy her, she can have a bag. Hopefully she likes to shop here, I don't know. But at the very least, she can get some groceries. This has nothing to do with the baby shower either, but I've seen this and I wanna put it in my Ninja slushie, so I'm gonna get this as well, $4.99. I added one more 69-cent bag because I love this one. Okay, So I spent $11.47 on stuff for our house, apple juice, potatoes, and the Unplanned frappe. Okay, so this is a last minute find, but this is on clearance. I love the little zippers, two-way zippers, sleeper. It'll be a cute addition to add into the bag. I was done, but this is on clearance. It was only $8 to start with. It's a win. I've always wanted to make a baby gift from Aldi. Super fun. And if you want to see what a normal Aldi haul looks like, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.